Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, as you know that now we are again, this is the second time we are doing our revision. Okay, so the topic that we are going to start or we are going to discuss, actually I'm going to elaborate in today's session is given at page number 18, that is medically speaking. Okay, so this is the topic that we are going to start in today's session. Okay, so kindly open your books at page number 18 and the topic is medically speaking. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic on the board, that is medically speaking. Okay, and it is given at page number 18. MEDICALLY, that is medically speaking. This is the topic and given at page number 18, medically speaking. Okay, so this is what we are going to start in today's session. So starting with the topic medically speaking. Okay, so before elaborating the topic, I just given a small introduction regarding the topic. Okay, what is the meaning of this medically speaking? Okay, so this is just a name that is given to the topic medically. So that means in this topic we are going to discuss the medical terms. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the medical terms. Okay, so in this we will discuss about the various medical instruments that are being used. So we are going to discuss about the various medical instruments that are being used, okay, to perform various medical checkups. So बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरह के medical checkups को देखने के लिए, okay, medical checkup करने के लिए, okay, so the doctors, okay, and their subordinates or the, you can say their assistants like the lab assistant or laboratory वगैरह में, so there are lots of machines that are being used in the field of medicine, okay, to analyze the body of a human being. Okay, suppose if someone is having some problem with the internal part, the external, you can see, okay, you can see, even the doctor can see the internal injuries or external injuries or external problems that someone is facing within their body. But there are certain, you can say there are certain problems or certain injuries that happens internally, तो जो कि internally होती हैं. Okay, so we are going to discuss about some of the internal medical problems, some instruments that are used to deal or to check the internal medical conditions of any person. Okay, so this is the topic that is medically speaking. Okay, so in this basically we will discuss about the various medical instruments that are being used for the body checkup. Okay, the first is, it is a machine that produces a beam of radiation to create an image of the inside of the body. Okay, so now we are talking about a machine, okay, that produces radiation, जो कि radiation produce करता है. Okay, and that also create the image of inside of the body. Okay, okay, आपने देखा होगा बेटा, अगर कभी आपने किसी का एक्सरे देखा होगा. Okay, so that x-ray is the is the image of the internal bones of the human body. जो x-ray है किसी भी human body का, उसकी जो bones हैं, okay, internal bones है किसी भी human body की, उसका x-ray होता है. That is a picture, okay, that is an image of the internal bones of a human body. Okay, that is the internal picture of a human body. Okay, and this X-ray machine is used to click or to get the image of the internal bones or the internal parts of the human body. तो आपने देखा होगा, तो देखिए एक्सरे दो तीन वैसे तो देखिए, and that X-ray is a very long machine and उसके ऊपर से there is a beam of light. Okay, वो लाइट जो आती है that is radiation, that is radiation. So that radiation is used to click the picture of the internal organs. Okay, and you will get मतलब देखिए आपने देखा होगा ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कलर का एक पेपर, मतलब एक ब्लैक कलर का ट्रांसपेरेंट पेपर होता है जिसके ऊपर यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. Okay, so that is an X-ray. Okay, so this produces a beam of radiation to create an image of the insides of the body. That is X-ray machine. So the first is X-ray machine. That is X-ray machine. Second one. The second is it uses sound waves to produce an image onto the screen that shows the inside of your body. Okay, so now we will talk about the sound waves, okay, that are being produced onto the screen. Okay, so देखिए this machine, the next medical instrument that we are talking about, it uses sound waves to produce an image onto the screen that shows the inside of your body. That is an ultrasound machine. So what is it? ये ultrasound machine क्या है बेटा? So this ultrasound machine is used to listen to the various sounds waves. Okay, sorry, that various sounds that are being produced inside a human body. Okay, and these are in the forms of waves. ये नहीं कि आवाजें आ रही हैं कि hello hello करके, ऐसी कोई आवाज नहीं आती. So this they just produces the internal sound waves. Okay, तो ये एक तरह से दिखाती है जो इंटरनली साउंड वेव्स होती हैं किसी भी ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर. सो दिस अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन इज यूज फॉर दैट ओनली. ओके, इट यूजेस साउंड वेव्स टू प्रोड्यूस एन इमेज ऑन टू द स्क्रीन दैट शोज द इनसाइड ऑफ योर बॉडी. सो दैट इज एन अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन. सो अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन इज यूज्ड और इज अ मशीन दैट प्रोड्यूसेस द साउंड ऑफ internal sound waves that are being produced in a human body. Okay, so this is an ultrasound machine, and this ultrasound machine is basically used by the gynec doctors. Okay, while they were जब वो किसी pregnant lady का ultrasound करते थे, at that time they mostly use this ultrasound machine to listen to the heartbeat of the baby that is inside the womb of the lady. Okay, so that is an ultrasound machine. So this is ultrasound machine that is used, ultrasound machine. Okay, so this ultrasound machine is used to listen to the sounds waves that are being produced inside a human body. Okay, that is ultrasound. Okay, moving next to the third one. It is a medical instrument that is used to listen to the sounds produced within the body, chiefly in the heart and the lungs. So now we are talking about the next instrument, medical instrument that is used to listen to the sound produced within the body. तो किसी भी बॉडी के अंदर, ठीक है, जो साउंड्स प्रोड्यूस होती हैं स्पेशली विद इन द बॉडी, चीफली द लंग्स एंड द हार्ट. सो देयर आर सर्टेन साउंड्स दैट आर बीइंग प्रोड्यूस्ड इनसाइड द लंग्स एंड द हार्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. ओके, एंड दिस मशीन इज यूज्ड टू लिसन टू दोज साउंड्स ऑफ हार्ट एंड लंग्स. ओके, एंड दैट इज stethoscope. That is stethoscope. So you must have seen the stethoscope. Okay, so I'll just stick it here. Okay, so I was having it here, but right now I'm not having it. Okay, so stethoscope ही क्या होता है बेटा? Stethoscope is used by the doctors. आपने देखा होगा, the doctors हैं वो generally they always carry this stethoscope. Okay, and वो उसको अपने गले में पहन के घूमते हैं. Okay, देखो ना black color का, and then when they check the patient, okay, तो वो क्या करते थे, just plug in those through mouths of the stethoscope into their ear, and there's a round shape देयर, ओके। तो एक गोल सी शेप का ऐसे होता है विद दिस, जिससे कि वो चेक करते हैं कि किस तरह की जो साउंड है प्रोड्यूस हो रही है। एंड स्पेशली दे चेक, इफ यू रिमेंबर, अगर आपने कभी डॉक्टर के पास गए होंगे तो डॉक्टर ने चेक किया होगा या किसी को करते हुए देखा होगा। सो बेसिकली व्हाट दे चेक, सो दे चेक द चेस्ट एंड द बैक, ओके। चेस्ट और बैक ये चेक करते हैं वो आपकी। सो देखिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं है दैट दे मतलब दे आर नॉट लिसनिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ साउंड, ओके। सो दे आर जस्ट लिसनिंग टू द हार्ट बीट्स एंड द waves, okay, that the sound that is being produced in your lungs, okay. So they sometimes suppose someone is suffering from bad cold and cough, okay. So when they will breathe, so they will उनके कहते हैं डॉक्टर कहते हैं खरर खरर की साउंड आती है, so they generally say use this language. So that means that their breathing, their respiratory is not in a normal way, or there's no breathing is not proper, okay. So they are having some kind of sound inside it, okay. So that is stethoscope, okay. It is a medical instrument used to listen to the sound produced within the body, chiefly in the heart and lungs. तो हार्ट और लंग्स के अंदर, दिल और लंग्स के अंदर जो एक तरह की साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है, that can be listened with the help of okay. So doctors can listen that sound with the help of the stethoscope only, okay. So this is stethoscope, okay. And the doctor usually carry it, okay. Medical staff mostly, they not medical staff doesn't mean that the ward boys or the nurses also, no, okay. And this is some also used while checking the blood pressure. तो जो blood pressure जब check करते हैं तो उस टाइम पे they also use this stethoscope. So they मतलब वो आपके हाथ पे एक, आजकल तो ऑटोमेटिक हो गया, तो बट पहले अभी भी मतलब रिसेंटली एट सम प्लेसेस इट इज बीइंग यूज्ड. सो देयर इज अ पंपिंग मशीन, द ग्रीन कलर की होती है, डॉक्टर उसको पंप करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर जब वो पूरी पंप हो जाती है देन दे पुट ऑन देयर स्टेथोस्कोप एंड ऑफ द, और जो उसका दूसरा कोना होता है वो आपके नर्व्स के ऊपर रखते हैं. एंड दे स्टार्ट रिलीजिंग द प्रेशर फ्रॉम दैट बॉल, ओके, ओवल शेप बॉल, ओके. एंड जब वो प्रेशर नीचे से धीरे जाता है, वो मरकरी जब नीचे जाता है ब्लड प्रेशर मशीन में, सो एट अ सम पॉइंट दे स्टार्ट लिसनिंग अ लिटिल, मतलब छोटी छोटी साउंड आनी शुरू होती है, दैट इज ऑफ हार्ट बीट, लाइक धक 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 टक 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 आवाज आनी शुरू होती है. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ दैट ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. एंड जहां पे वो आवाज सुननी बंद हो जाए, दैट इज द मिनिमम पॉइंट ऑफ दैट person who's मतलब जिसकी वो सुन रहे हैं, okay. So this is the method that how they listen to the heartbeat or the sound of that person, okay. And at this also they also use their stethoscope. So this is a medical instrument that is used to listen to the sound produced within the body, chiefly in the heart and lungs, and this is stethoscope. This is stethoscope, okay. The third one is stethoscope. That is stethoscope. Okay, this is stethoscope. चलिए next, fourth one. It is a device that is used to check the patient's blood pressure. So now we will discuss about the next डिवाइस. देखिए अभी मैंने आपको ब्लड प्रेशर वैसे मेजर होता है वो बताया. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द मशीन दैट इज बीइंग यूज्ड टू मेजर द ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ एनी पेशेंट और एनी पर्सन, okay. So this is a device that is used to check the patient's blood pressure, and the name of the device is sphygmomanometer, okay. So this is a very long word, so you have to break it into different pieces, like spig, S-P-H-Y, spig, S-P-H-Y-G, spig, mo, M-O-mo, no, N-O-no, meter, M-E-T-E-R, sphygmomanometer, okay. So we use this sphygmomanometer to measure the patient's blood pressure, okay. So this sphygmomanometer is used to check the patient's blood pressure, okay. So whether the person is having a normal blood pressure or high blood pressure or the low blood pressure. So for that they use this machine which is used to measure the blood pressure of any person, okay. And as ही मैंने आपको बताया pumping थी, hand pumping थी. Now it is automatically, now they just wrap a cloth having two pipes, and they just wrap it on your this biceps, okay, and they just press a button in the machine and जब वो धीरे धीरे वो pressure gain कर लेता है then they just मतलब वो उसको compress मतलब आपको एकदम जकड़ लेता है यहाँ से, okay. After that at certain point जब वो अपने highest level पे पहुंच जाता है then it start releasing the pressure, okay, and then they'll just show on a digital screen. They will just normally show your their blood pressure, okay. So the machine that is used to check the patient's blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. So that is the blood machine that is used to check patient's blood pressure, okay. That is the fourth one. Let's write down. Sphygmo, S-P-H-G-Y, sphygmomanometer. That is sphygmomanometer. That is sphygmomanometer. Clear? Moving to the next one. That is fifth. Okay, it is like a giant camera that produces a film which allows doctor to see the bones in your body. Okay, so now the next जिसकी हम बात करें हैं, okay, so this is a giant camera. So now we're talking about the giant camera, एक बड़ा सा camera that produces the film which allows doctor to see the bones in your body. Okay, so the machine is known as CT scan. Okay, so this is a huge machine like a bed, okay, and there's an okay, you can see this machine here, that is CT scanner machine, okay. So ये बड़ा सा बेड होता है, okay, so जब जो पेशेंट का चेकअप होता है वो उसके ऊपर लेटता है and that machine slowly goes into a hole, okay, and there are various radiations that comes from all the sides, okay, and then it produces the image of the internal image of a person's or the patient's body onto a screen on the, okay, and from there the doctor gets to know about all the information or all the problems of someone is having inside their into their internal organs or any other problem someone is having into internal parts of their body. So that is known as CT scanner, okay. So this is CT scanner. So it is like a giant camera that produces a film which allow doctors to see the bones in your body, and this is CT scanner. That is the fifth one. That is CT scanner. CT scanner. SCANNER. That is CT scanner. Clear? So these are the answers from 1 to 5. Okay, the first is X-ray machine, second is ultrasound machine, third is stethoscope, fourth is sphygmomanometer, fifth is CT scanner. Okay, so you can just pause it here and note it down in your books. Chaliye, moving next. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, so we have some more time left. So now we will move to we will do one more topic from the, okay, that is we will discuss from the next page. Okay, so the next topic that we will start, that is mighty mountains, given at page number 19. So that is the next page after this medically speaking, mighty mountains. So I am just writing the topic on the board and you just write down today's date there. That is mighty, M-I-G-H-T-Y, mighty mountains, given at page number 19. That is mighty mountains. Okay. Okay, so as the topic itself telling us that what it means, the mighty mountains. So that means in this topic we are going to discuss about the various mountains all around the world. Okay, तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग mountains हैं दुनिया में. आज हम उनमें से किसी mountains के बारे में बात करेंगे. So in this we will discuss about the various mountains all around the world. So the first is, how well do you know the mountains of the world? answer these questions to find out. So here some of the questions or some of the clues regarding the mountains are given and you have to answer the names of these mountains. तो ये कौन-कौन से mountains के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so we will start with that. Okay, so starting with the first one. In which country will you find the twin peaks of Great Ararat and Little Ararat? So this Great Ararat and Little Ararat, these are the names of two mountain ranges. Okay, and they are known as the twin peaks because they both look alike. So twins क्या होते हैं जो बिल्कुल एक जैसे दिखते हैं. Okay, so these are twin peaks. Okay, and the name of these mountain ranges, so these mountains is mountain peaks, not ranges, it is mountain peaks. That is the Great Ararat and the Little Ararat. So these are the two names. Okay, and where you can find these mountains? So these mountains are found in Turkey. These mountains are found in Turkey. So we can find the twin peaks of Great Ararat and Little Ararat in Turkey. That is the answer of the first one. That is Turkey. The answer of the first one is Turkey. Turkey. That is Turkey. Okay, so this is the answer of the first one. That is Turkey. Second one. Which is the highest mountain peak in Africa? So now, okay, there are certain mountains, their number in all around the world. So now we are talking about the highest mountain peak in Africa. Okay, so देखिए, only in Africa. Okay, so we are talking about the African continent only or African country only. So what is the name of the highest mountain peak in Africa? That is Mount Kilimanjaro. So Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain peak in Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain peak in Africa. That is Mount Kilimanjaro. Second one, that is Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain peak in Africa. Clear? Moving to the third one. The third is, which mountain range forms a natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland in Europe? Now, the next mountain range जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that they form a natural boundary. Okay, so they form natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland in Europe. So Europe is a continent. Okay, and there are certain countries that come under Europe. Okay, so this is here. Okay, so which mountain range forms a natural boundary? Okay, so then the mountain range जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, they form a natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland. So these mountain range form a natural boundary between these two countries, that is Italy and Switzerland. So what is the name of this mountain range? So they are the Alps. So the Alps form natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland. The answer of the third is the Alps. That is the Alps. So the Alps form a natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland. Clear? Next, name the longest mountain range on land in the world. Okay, so now we have to name the longest mountain range on land in the world. तो धरती के ऊपर दुनिया का सबसे लंबा mountain range कौन सा है? Okay, so name the longest mountain range on land in the world. That is Andes. So Andes is the longest. मतलब बहुत लंबा mountain range है. This is one of the longest. Okay, not the highest or the tallest. They're talking about the longest mountain range in the world. That is Andes. That is the fourth one. That is Andes. A-N-D-E-S. That is Andes. So Andes is the longest mountain range in the world. Moving to the fifth one. Which two countries of the world are connected by Khyber Pass? So now we are talking about the two countries. ओके, जो कि कनेक्टेड है एक दूसरे से खाइबर पास के थ्रू. So that is the two countries which are connected to each other through Khyber passes, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay, so Pakistan and Afghanistan is connected with each other with this Khyber Pass mountain ranges. Okay, so that is Pakistan and Afghanistan. That is the fifth one. That is Pakistan and Afghanistan. That is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Clear? Chaliye. So these are the answers from first 5. You can just pause it here. Chaliye. Moving next to the sixth one. Okay, so just let me erase it. The sixth one. The sixth is, name the range that runs parallel to the Rocky Mountains in North America. So now we are talking about the mountain ranges that runs parallel to the Rocky Mountains in North America. तो ये जो माउंटेन रेंज है जो ये अमेरिका में, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में जो रॉक्स वाले माउंटेन्स हैं उनके बराबर बराबर चलती हैं. ओके, चलती मीन्स मतलब दे ऑल्सो मतलब दे दीज टू माउंटेन्स, दीज रॉकी माउंटेन्स एंड दिस द नेम ऑफ दिस, इट इज सीरा नेवाडा. Sierra Nevada, they are the parallel mountain ranges in North America. So from the one side this is Rocky Mountains and second side this is Sierra Nevada. Okay, so these two mountain ranges, they run parallel in North America. That is Sierra Nevada. That is the answer of the sixth one. That is Sierra Nevada. SIERRA. That is Sierra Nevada. Clear? Chaliye. Moving next to the seventh one. Seventh is, which mountain range acts as a natural border between France and Spain? कौन सी ऐसी माउंटेन रेंज है जो कि फ्रांस और स्पेन के बीच में एक नेचुरल बॉर्डर बनाती है? So the mountain range that makes a natural border between these two countries, that France and Spain, is the Pyrenees. Pyrenees is the mountain ranges. Okay, they form a natural border between the France and the Spain. The answer is Pyrenees. Okay, so the answer is Pyrenees. Okay, that is the sixth answer of the seventh one. The Pyrenees. The Pyrenees. P-Y-R-E. P-Y-R-E and double E-S. That is the Pyrenees. Okay. Eighth one. Name the highest mountain in Japan that is also an active volcano. So now we are talking about the highest mountain in Japan. तो जापान में जो सबसे हाईएस्ट माउंटेन है, ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो एक्टिव वॉल्केनो. मतलब एक्टिव वॉल्केनो मीन्स दैट जो कि बर्स्ट होता है टाइमली, दे जस्ट गेट बर्स्ट आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, ओके, सो वॉल्केनो जिसको हम बोलते हैं ज्वालामुखी. सो दिस इज दैन एक्टिव वॉल्केनो एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन इन जापान. द नेम ऑफ दिस माउंटेन इज माउंट फूजी. So Mount Fuji is an active volcano as well, and it is the highest mountain in Japan. That is the eighth one. That is Mount Fuji. F-U-J-I. That is Mount Fuji. Okay. Moving next to the ninth one. Which mountain range marks the traditional boundary between Asia and Europe? तो जैसे कि अभी हमने बात किया, द माउंटेन रेंजेस फॉर्म नेचुरल बाउंड्री. इटली और स्विट्जरलैंड के बीच में जो माउंटेन रेंजेस नेचुरल बाउंड्री बनाते थे, दैट वाज द एल्प्स. जस्ट लाइक दैट माउंटेन रेंजेस दैट फॉर्म अ नेचुरल बॉर्डर बिटवीन दिस यूरोपियन countries, France and Spain, was the Pyrenees. Now just like that, the mountain range that form a traditional boundary between Asia and Europe. तो एशिया और यूरोप के बीच में दो ट्रेडिशनल बाउंड्री बनाते, दैट इज यूरल्स. दैट इज यूरल्स. U-R-A-L-S. That is Urals. That is Urals. Okay. Moving next to the 10th one. The second highest mountain in the world K2 is located in which range? Okay. So now we are talking about the second highest mountain in the world. Okay. And that is K2. Okay. ये कहाँ है? Where is it located? So the second highest mountain in the world, K2, is located in Karakoram range. That is located in Karakoram range. That is the answer of the 10th one. That is Karakoram. That is Karakoram range. So the second highest mountain in the world, that is K2, is located in Karakoram range. Clear? So these are the answers from 6 to 10. You can just pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, class? So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.